Today we're excited to introduce the Pamo Babe Portable Crib for Baby, a versatile and convenient solution for parents on the go. This all-in-one baby playpen is designed to grow with your child, featuring a diaper table for easy changing and a comfortable playyard for rest, complete with a soft mattress that fits perfectly. Its lightweight and durable construction, made from sturdy iron tubes, supports up to 33 pounds and is easy to assemble and fold, making it ideal for travel by car, train, or plane. With lockable wheels for easy movement and mesh walls for ventilation, this playyard ensures both convenience and safety, allowing it to double as a bedside bassinet. The crib's skin-friendly, breathable fabrics provide peace of mind, ensuring your baby stays comfortable and secure. For easy maintenance, simply use mild soap and warm water to clean, avoiding bleach and machine washing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.